Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, yet again, another very rough day. This one continues to bleed and bleed, so updates need to be done here. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning. Just go ahead and get rid of these lines here. Sure, those levels still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant, and from the presentation standpoint where I sit, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But as I've done in past videos, but like I said, that's just the case when the price keeps on breaking new lows. The first update that needs to be done now is a new area of resistance, and this is just based on foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 2250 now, that new level of resistance, where if the price does try to bounce back upwards, that's where the big dynamic now comes into play in terms of can the price, have enough strength with any sort of bounce to break above and then stay above 2250. But pointer being, near-term level of resistance has become 2250, and then for more of the overarching level of resistance, that's where the purple line there comes into play. The 50-period moving average currently valued at 2370, although probably a little premature to be talking about that and focus on that, because let's just first see if the price can even get back up to and break above 2250. But if it can, then at that point, it does make more sense to be focused on that 50-period moving average. In terms of where the next levels of support may be, as you can see here, we're having to squeeze down the chart quite a bit because it's been a long time since the price had been down around this area of the chart. But the next key level, let's see. Oh, wow, it opens up quite a bit now to 2125. Now, I'm not saying that means the price is going to go straight down to 2125. I'm just saying that technically speaking, just simply aren't any other areas that suggest any levels of support until that area. So 2125, next potential area of support going forward. But overall, the downwards pressure continues. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.